Good morning. Welcome to our mathematical lessons. There's a question saying if t squared plus t squared equals 4t, we want to find t to the power 2t minus 1. Let's jump straight into it. So we have our solution. Then given that t squared plus t squared equals 4t. Now we can add t squared plus t squared. That will give us 2t squared equals 4t. Now looking for t here, we can divide both sides by 2t by 2t. That is, we are dividing both sides by 2t because we have twice of t in t squared. So when this happens, the 2 takes care of the 2, the t down takes care of the one of the 2 t's up, leaving only t here. Then this will give us 2 goes into 4, that is 2. The t cancels, so the t cancels the t. We have our t given as 2, so straightforward, we jump, given that t raised to the power 2t minus 1, which implies that now that we have our t to be 2 here, then 2 into bracket t is also 2, giving us 2 minus 1, giving us 2 to the power 2 is 4. So 2 to the power 4 minus 1, which is giving us 2 to the power 4 minus 1, giving us 3. Our final answer is 8. Goodbye. See you on the next one.